Hello, my dear nursery kids. How are you all? I hope all of you are very well. Do you remember me, boys? Yes, this is me, your Stravoni miss. So, boys, after a long time, I am back to you. I missed you a lot. Did you miss me? Yes, I know you missed me a lot. So, boys, today I am back to you with your mathematics and drawing and coloring subject. Okay, so today we are going to do lots of mathematics, but we are not going to learn any new things. We are going to make revisions on our previous topics. Okay, so boys, get ready for the class. আজকে আমরা নতুন কিছু শিখব না, আমরা পুরনো যা পড়াগুলো শিখেছি সেগুলোই আবার নতুন করে পড়ব। ঠিক আছে বয়েজ, রেডি হও, আজকে মিসের সাথে অনেক অনেক পড়া পড়তে হবে। ওকে, সো বয়েজ, get ready and take out your copies and also your pencils. Okay boys, get ready and let's go for study. So boys, can you see what have I written here? Yes, here is written 1 2 5 0 50. So today we are going to count it again. Okay, let's count with your miss. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19 2 0 20. 2 1 21 2 2 22 2 3 23 2 4 24 2 5 25 2 6 26 2 7 27 2 8 28 2 9 29 3 0 30. 3 1 31 3 2 32 3 3 33 3 4 34 3 5 35 3 6 36 3 7 37 3 8 38 3 9 39 4 0 40. 4 1 41 4 2 42 4 3 43 4 4 44 4 5 45 4 6 46 4 7 47 4 8 48 4 9 49 5 0 50. So boys, we have read 1 to 50. I think all of you know how to count the numbers. Okay, now if I say, can you say what is this number? Okay, you have to say this is 3. Then if I ask you what is this number, yes, you have to say this is 7. Then if I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 13. If I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 23. If I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 28. Okay, if I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 33. Okay, then if I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 40. And if I ask you what is this number, you have to say this is 45. If I ask you what is this number, you have to say 50. So boys, you have to know which number is called what number. Okay, so যে নাম্বারগুলো আছে সেগুলো কোনটা কোন নাম্বার সেটাও তোমাকে চিনতে হবে, সেজন্য বাসায় বেশি বেশি পড়তে হবে। Okay boys, now we are going for another topic. এখানে আমরা 1 থেকে 50 পর্যন্ত কাউন্ট করব। ওকে, এটা বাংলা নাম্বারস। আচ্ছা, মিসের সাথে শুরু করো। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19 2 0 20 2 1 21 2 2 22 2 3 23 2 4 24 2 5 25 2 6 26 2 7 27 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0 40, 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50। তাহলে আমরা 5 1 থেকে 50 পর্যন্ত গুণা শিখে ফেলেছি। এখন মিস যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি যে এইটা কত নাম্বার, তখন তুমি বলতে হবে 3। আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি এটা কত, তোমাকে বলতে হবে 15। আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি এবার বলো এটা কত, তোমাকে বলতে হবে 23। আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি বলো তো এটা কত, তখন তোমাকে বলতে হবে এটা 27। আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি এটা কত, তখন তোমাকে বলতে হবে 30। তারপর যদি বলি বলো তো এটা কত, তুমি বলতে হবে 34। তারপর আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি বলো তো এটা কত এই নাম্বারটা, তখন তোমাকে বলতে হবে 39। তারপর আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি বলো তো এটা কত, তখন তোমাকে বলতে হবে 44। তারপর আমি যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করি এটা কত, তখন তুমি বলবে 47। তারপর যদি জিজ্ঞেস করি এটা কত, তুমি বলবে 50। তার মানে হচ্ছে তোমাকে গুনতেও জানতে হবে, আবার নাম্বারগুলো কোনটাকে কি বলে সেটাও জানতে হবে। ওকে বয়েজ, আমি জানি তোমরা সেটা পারো এবং তোমরা যখন স্কুলে আসবে তখন সব পারবে। আর হচ্ছে বাসায় 1 থেকে 50 আর 1 থেকে 50 পর্যন্ত লিখতে হবে। ওকে, ইউ হ্যাভ টু রাইট দ্য নাম্বারস ফ্রম 1 to 50 অ্যান্ড 1 থেকে 50। ওকে বয়েজ, নাও লেটস গো ফর অ্যানাদার টপিক। Can you remember, boys, how to count the pictures? Yes, I know you can remember it. Okay, first of all, you have to start counting from the corner of the picture. Okay, so let's count how many apples are here, boys. You have to count the apples. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So how many apples are here? 5 apples. You have to write here 5s after counting. Okay, so boys, what is the color of apple? Yes, this is red color. And what is the color of the leaf? Can you see? Yes, this is green color. So boys, I love apples very much. I know you also love it. Now we are going for another thing. Can you see what is here? Okay, this is a picture of trees. Okay, now we are going to count the trees. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many trees are here? 8 trees. So you have to write here 8. Okay, then you can see here are some ducks. So can you count the ducks, boys? Okay, start from the corner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many ducks are here? 12 ducks. So you have to count all of the pictures with your teachers and also with your parents. Okay, বাসায় এই ছবিগুলো কাউন্ট করে তার পাশে নাম লিখতে হবে। ডিয়ার প্যারেন্টস, যদি আপনারা এরকম পিকচার ড্র না করতে পারেন, যে কোনো নর্মাল সিম্পল পিকচার ড্র করে ওদেরকে দেবেন, যাতে করে ওরা কাউন্ট করে পাশে নাম্বারটা লিখতে পারে। Okay, now boys, can you see what is this? Okay, this is a picture of hairs. Okay, so how many hairs are here? 1 2. So here you have to write 2. Okay, I know you can do it, boys. Now can you see, boys? Okay, this is a picture of birds. Now you have to count these birds. Okay, 1 2 3 4. How many birds are here? 4 birds. Okay, then can you see what is the picture of here? Okay, this is a picture of sheep. Okay, now you have to count the sheep. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9. So how many shapes are here? 9 shapes. Okay, boys, you have to write here 9. Then can you see what is the picture? Okay, this is the picture of bananas. Okay, now count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many bananas are here? 10 bananas. Okay, you have to write 10. Now in the next picture you can see there are some birds again. Okay, now count the birds. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are here? 3 birds. Okay, boys, I know you can do it. Now in another picture you can see there are some strawberries. Okay, now count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many strawberries are here? 6 strawberries. Okay, very good. Now count the lollipops. Do you like lollipops? Yes, I know you like lollipops. Okay, now count the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lollipops are here, boys? 8 lollipops. So you have to write here 8. I know you can do it. Okay, so after counting, we are going for after numbers, before numbers, and between numbers. I know all of you can do it very well because we have done this lots of time, and today we are going to learn it again. Okay, so first of all, we are going to do after numbers. After 3, there comes 4. After 6, there comes 7. Then can you see I have not written anything here? You have to write the after numbers. Okay, after 8 there comes what? 9. Then after 2 there comes, okay, Miss is not going to tell anything. You have to write these numbers. Okay, after 9 there comes what, and after 1 there comes what, after 4, after 7, and after 5 you have to write these after numbers. Okay, now before numbers. Before numbers means আগের নাম্বার, মানে হচ্ছে এই যে 7, 7 এর আগে কত হয়? 7 এর আগে 6 হয়. So before numbers means what comes before 7. Okay, so 6 comes before 7. Then what comes before 3? 2. What comes before 4? 3. So you have to write rest of the numbers. Okay, what comes before 9? What comes before 5? What comes before 8? What comes before 10? And what comes before 2? Okay, boys, can you do it for me? Yes, I know you can do it. Then between numbers. So between number means you have to write the numbers in between of the numbers. Okay, so 1 gap 3. So what comes between 1 and 3? 2. Okay, 4 and gap then 6. So what comes between 4 and 6? 5. So this is also easy. You have to just follow the sequence. That means you have to write 7, 8, 9, then 2, 3, 4. It is just like after numbers. Okay, just you have to put the numbers in between two numbers. Okay, boys, I know you can do it, and you have to do it, and you have to write it in your CW copies. Okay, now we are going for another topic, that is fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. So here I have given some numbers. First one is done for you. You can see 3, 4, then 5, then 6, 7, then gap, then 8, 9, then gap 10. So one is done for you. Miss has done one for you, and the rest of the numbers you have to do it. Okay, then 12, then comes 13. You have to write the missing numbers here. Okay, okay, 12, then 13, 14, then missing numbers 15, 16, 17. You can say there is no number. That means that is called missing numbers. Missing numbers মানে হচ্ছে যে নাম্বারটা নেই সেটা তোমাকে লিখতে হবে। তাহলে তুমি দেখো 12 আছে, 13 নেই, তাহলে সেটা তোমাকে লিখতে হবে। 14 আছে কিন্তু 15 কি আছে? No, there is no 15. That's why you have to write here 15. Okay, so boys, this is also HW for you. You have to do it. Okay, do it in your CW copy and submit it in the comment section. Okay, Now boys, we are going to write the spellings. Okay, 1 to 10 and 1 থেকে 10 মিসের সাথে একবার করে পড়ো, তারপর আমাদের আজকে পড়া শেষ হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, সো ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Okay, can you write it for me boys? Yes, I know you can write it. Okay, and when you are going to write these numbers, spellings, you have to write in small letters. Don't use capital letters. Okay, now এখন আমরা পড়ব 1 থেকে 10। দেখো, এ ক 1, দরশুকা 2 রসই 2, তরশিকা 3 দন্তন 3, চ আকার চা বয় শূন্য র 4, পচন্ডবিন্দু আকার 5 চ 5, ছ অন্তস্থ অ 6, দন্ত স আকার 7 ও 7, স্বরে 8 8, দন্তন্য অন্তস্থ অ 9, দ তালবস্য 10। তাহলে বয়েস আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। ওকে, today we are not going to learn any more things. I hope you are going to write all of the things in your HW copy. Today we have not learned any new things. You have to just write previous things that we have learned already. Okay, so boys, take care and listen to your parents and also listen to your teachers. You have to write lots of things, and if you write everything, your teacher will give you lots of stars. Okay, take care, stay safe and healthy. Thank you boys.